Welcome back, everybody. We are testing out a new camera. You can't see it up there, but it's there. Today's date, 29th, right? 29th? 29th. We got some rain down here. First time I've ever had a tornado watch, which you get those all the time in Ohio. That's no big deal. The warnings are the ones that are a little bit more concerning. And then it was also flash flood. Our phones were just lighting up all night, getting the emergency broadcast signal sent to them. Flash flood, blah 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 blah. So down here in southern Texas, we definitely need the rain. We don't need any flooding, but we need the rain. So I decided that this would be a good time to go out and see what happens after we get multiple inches of rain. So I'm on the infamous River Road outside of New Braunfels, Texas. Figured this would be a good place to check out the new camera. And then I'm gonna just go for a ride. It's Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day. We'll get to that here in a second. But I came in the wrong way on this road. I wanted to do it in the opposite direction. That way I can just keep heading north, west, that other direction behind me. Just to see if I can find another road, so I'm just not riding this road all the time. But like I said, I came in the wrong direction. Well, it's not flashing, so that means we don't have any water on the road. You got this little creek that comes across, and like a lot of these roads in Texas, they just drop the road down through the river, through the creek, and they don't build a bridge up over. So it's a nice rig. Yeah, so if you get a lot of rain, you do have these little things that go underneath the road, but I mean, the river flows over the road. But yeah, we got a little bit of water in there. And I didn't think the river was going to be flowing anymore just because of the dam just up the road. It's going to control how much water goes in. Now, if you get down the road, then maybe... Oh, look at this. It's the new RT. Hey, how you doing there, buddy? It's too important to wave back. So like I said, it is the day after Memorial Day here in the States. So I got a down tree, took out the fence, nice. I guess this goes out to all of our servicemen and women. We'll dedicate it to my wife, who is active duty, 23 years, U.S. Air Force. Day pass. Which is impressive, to say the least. Yeah, you can tell we definitely got some rain because it is not as clear as it normally is. Tubes, kayaks, rentals ahead, people. We were sliding a little bit. $10 pass, $20 tube. I wonder if you have your own tube. Is it just $10 pass? But yeah, like I said, this goes out to all of our servicemen and women. You know, without them, I would not be able to do what I'm doing today. I'm very proud of my dear wife. And she's not done yet, so But yeah, it's a beautiful 75-degree day. I don't normally get to say that down here. Normally it's 95 when I get my ride, but it's early in the morning. I took the day off. I wanted, you know, a couple days back to back just to get away from work. Don't. So I decided today is going to be a day. She couldn't take it off. She had to work, so I'm gonna go for a ride. I got a new sprocket for the blue bike to try to get a little bit more top end speed out of it. It maxes out at like 65, which is fine for back roads, but I would like a little bit more. If I can get it up to 75, 80, that way if I do need to jump on the highway just for, you know, one exit to the next, I can. Tubes, ice, river. You can tell the season is definitely ramped up down here. I'm assuming I'm not going to see a lot once I get down here when it comes to like campers and stuff like that, but we might, we'll see. And I'm curious about my camera up there. I usually have a, well, not usually, I have a GoPro 8 on my chin. But here lately, I've just been having issues where there's just no sound. I don't get it, just no sound, you know. And it overheats quite bad. When it's on my chin, it's getting plenty of air. But like if I do a video in the garage, oh, it's a little blue heron. There might be a little bit more water down in here. She's a lot clearer there. So I am trying the Insta 360 Ace Pro 2. So right now, instead of mounting it on my chin, I'm just mounting it on the upper control arm of the suspension. And I'm just gonna make sure that it shoots good, and then I'll get it on my chin. A lot of little sticks in the road today. That's how you know you've come from a decent little storm. I've only been down here a year and a half, so all I have is to compare to is, you know, last year when I was down. I don't remember last year being so stormy. Like the first time I heard a thunderstorm, I'm like, thunder, lightning? And we've had quite a few. See, tan turtle, did that change? And I'm enjoying this ride. I'm trying to look as much as I can. It is a, we got a little bit more water down there. Not a lot more, just a little more. See, no water coming down this old waterfall. And then I want to talk about, so I just got done riding a couple new Spyders. I was supposed to go in and ride the Canyon, but I got an email that day saying that it broke. They wouldn't tell me what broke on it, just that it broke. So instead I rode an F3 Limited, and it felt completely different. I feel like I sit very tall on this thing compared to that. They're the same bike. I don't get why I felt so tall. And the bars felt like they pulled back more. It just, however I sat in it, maybe it's just, you know, I have a little bit more in my air shock, air spring. I don't know. But it was a good ride. And then the next day, Debbie, my gorgeous wife, was able to join me, and we took out a 25 RT, RT Limited, RT, you know, the one with the top case. And she really enjoyed that. So the it had armrests that she could put her arms down on, and she liked that. She liked the wind protection it had on it. She said she was very comfortable in the back. So it sounds like when it's time to do an upgrade on this, we'll end up with an RT. Hopefully by then they do something and we get a little bit more power. I love how those things handle. I hate the bars. The bars are really low, and when I turn sharply, like only in parking lots, stuff like that, the bar actually comes down and will hit my leg. Yeah, see, we got a little bit more water. Oh, well, hi. There's some angry birds peacocking, got their wings spread out. Don't know what they're doing. Whoops. A lot of big birds. A lot of big birds. You know, I love how the new RT handles. It just, as soon as you get on it and start moving, you can tell it handles completely different than anything else. It is like super flat. I dig it. I really, really dig it. Some nice muddy water for everybody. That end spot would be a wonderful place to stay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over here, and we're going to get that camera down. So I don't know. Rockin' River, customer, no free access. Private property, no trespassing. They got it all. Oh, she's still going. Hopefully you liked the video today. If you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road.